we are going to learn about fractions. Let's see some fractions. These are fractions. In this fraction, what do we call this? You know? This is called denominator. What a number calls denominator? It shows how many equal pieces that we divide into. Do you know what is this called? Yes, this is numerator. Numerator means how many equal parts do you have? Understanding common denominator. This is a whole. Okay? And this one, it's a quarter and one is colored. See here, it's colored. So we call it 1 of 4. So this is a quarter 2 and 2 are colored. So we call it 2 of 4 or we can call it 1 of 2 because 2 of 4 is equal to 1 of 2. This is 3 of 4 and altogether are 4, okay, and 3 are colored, and this is how we write 3 of 4. Task 1, 1 quarter. Now let's draw 1 quarter. So now we will write 1 of 4. Next one, 1 half. And now let's write 1 of 2. Next one is 3 quarters. Draw a circle, divide it, and now we have to color only 3. Let's write now 3 of 4. 3 parts are colored. And now whole. We will just and then we'll color all here and there, and then we'll write like this, or we'll do 1 of a whole. What is unit fraction? Unit fraction is where the numerator is only 1. Now I will show you some examples like 1 of 2. Then what else? Like these ones. What is non-unit fraction? A non-unit fraction means the numerator is not 1, it is another number. Let me show you some examples like 2 of 2 and 2 of 4 and 3 of 4. These are the examples I can show you. Counting in halves. What comes next in the sequence? Here there are 2 parts. One is shaded, so I'm going to write 1 of 2. And this one is colored both parts. So we can write 2 of 2 or just whole. That's all. So this is a whole, so I will write 1, okay, and this there are 2 parts and one is shaded, so I'll write 1 of 2, okay. And now this one there are 2 pairs because this side and this side are color and this side and this side are colored. So let's write through here, and now there are 2 pairs. We'll write 2, and then there is 2 parts here and one is shaded. So we are going to write 2, 1 of 2. Understanding whole and parts. 1. The circle has been split into equal parts. How much of the circle is shaded? Is it one half, 1/3 or 1/4? It is 1/3. Let's circle. 2. How much of the star is shaded in red? Is it 1/2, 1/3 or 1/4? I say it's 1/2. Do you think it's correct? Yes, it is correct. Ask two equal parts, two unequal parts. Let's draw whole. And now two equal parts. Let's draw. And now two unequal parts.